Tabstrip controls or any controls. These all controls we can maintain in one screen. That is all transaction codes. These all mainly used for functional people who will design like this. All transaction code list. All transaction code list in one program. Okay, one program means everything we can insert into one push buttons. Okay, all push buttons like this. This is one push button. This is one push button. This is one push button. If they click here this push button, then automatically it will call like example. If you are going to create any customer information creation. This is my text. This is my text. Here we will insert the customer. This is text. This is push. Once if you click here, we already created one transaction code. Okay, that transaction. What is the transaction code? Z insert I created. This this push button we will link with this insert. Then this application will work only for this Z insert. Okay, another application. If I want to change the customer information, or if I want to create the vendor information, standard T code is there. Vendor creation. For standard T code we have one T code is there. Okay, XK01 is there. Okay, vendor creation. If I click this tab, okay, it will call this transaction like that. If I want to create material creation, all standard codes are there. Material creation. Okay, this is MM01. Any code. Like in last class we created Tabstrip Control. Okay, like customers and sales order data. Customers and sales order data table Tabstrip Control program. Tabstrip Control. One text you will design like this. Okay, this text. Okay, you just link here and give here that transaction code name. Transaction code name. Which one we created? Z tab 11 I created, I think. These all are we are linking with this one. Separate either customized transaction. This is customized transaction. This is customized transaction. I'm linking with one customized and two standard. Like that, any codes, any transaction codes, we can link it here. And one exit button also we can insert here. One exit button because we have to exit from that screen. These 5 push buttons we can insert it in one code. Okay, for that we'll maintain one transaction code also. This is Z all 11 I will give. Z all 11. Okay, if you enter this code, all T codes, all the transaction codes are linked with Z all 1, Z all 11. Then user can create this application, user can create this application, user can create any applications he wants. He can click according to his user. This type of applications codes only will create in real time. Let me create. This is easy. No need to design any screens. Just only push buttons. Okay, only. I'll complete this program. Then I will give one more different transaction code list. I will give. You try those transaction code list also, like sales orders, material change, customer change. Okay, like that applications I can give you. You just write those tables. Now application you understood? Like what is exactly? One transaction code is having multiple transaction code list. If I click this option, it should call the transaction code. Okay, it should call transaction code. Let me show. Same thing I will. Only screen designing is okay. Push buttons. That's it. The remaining is easy. It's only where condition. Sorry, case condition. Okay, now go to SE38. Always same step. Okay, always you have to start from SE38 only. Z all buttons, all push buttons. Click on create button. All push button. Go to SE38. Create the program. Program. Executable program. Customer production program. And click on continue. Click on continue. Sorry, this is module pool. Module pool. I have to change it. I'll change it. This is not executable, that is module pool. Module pool. Don't enter executable. We'll change it later. Okay, now also you can change. Now also you can change by clicking here. If you do any mistake, just come back here. Otherwise, you just back here. Save first. You can back also. You can click here attributes. Change. Here also you can change it. Model. So now I changed. Otherwise, you have one more option. Source code. You can use by using go to option attributes. You can change as per your requirement. You can change either way. Now ready and activate this one. Activate. Copy this program name. Go to SC51. Okay, go to SC51. Okay. Enter the program name. Okay, 9000. Okay, click on create. Okay, click on create. Create. Okay, this is all push button program. Click on save. Go to layout. Very simple application this is, but usage will be more in industry. So many applications will be like this only. Many standard applications will be like this type of push buttons. Okay, okay, execute here. Let's see. Here I will drag this one. Okay, I'll drag this one. Double click. See here. Yeah, okay, no name. This is customer insert, and just I insert program. This is customer details. Customer details program. The display all push customer details creation. Like this, you can give your own description. Give your key code, function code. This name only you have to remember. Okay. This is one code, just CS like that. Next, this is vendor. Okay, this is vendor creation. Just create here one transaction code. Okay, this is VN. Okay, like this. Then another transaction code. This is material. Okay, material creation. Okay, material. Okay, creation. Like that. Oh, sorry. Here I had given a material name. Okay, mat. Okay, next. Okay, like that. Any application, any custom. Z alt. Let's start Tabstrip with the customers and sales orders. Okay, list. You can use here any tab. Yes. Now I created here 4 and 5. Fifth one is I will give here exit. Okay, exit. Okay, exit. Exit. Okay, over. Now this exit you can keep it anywhere, no problem. Even on top also you can keep it, or back button, anything. Save it here. One box you can create. Okay, one box. Now first to see it is CUS. This all you have to remember. CUS, VN, MAT, tab. Okay, all 4 buttons are ready. One exit button. Exit. Now save this program and go to flow logic directly. Here we can start with the coding. Okay, no need PBO. Only this PI is enough. Double click on this program. Okay, double click on this program. Okay, double click on user command. Okay, double click on S. Click on S. Okay, S. Continue. Okay, continue. Click S. Okay, Okay, here we have to write the code. Okay, here we have to. Okay, tables. Tables no need. Why? All are standard applications only. That's why no need to declare any table here. Everything is standard only or customized. Case you have to write sy-ucon. Let me check application code. Okay, application code. What application code we have? Z insert is there, or Z create. Sorry, something. Z CRE 11 is there. Which okay, see. This is a code which we created. Okay, this program I am going to insert here. Okay. What is the name? Z CRE 11. Let's see. When first one is CS, then call transaction. Directly we'll write it. Just directly call transaction. Transaction. What is the name of that transaction? ZCRE 11. Capital letters only. That's it. Over. First transaction code will be over. Like that we have to call all the transaction codes. When VN, okay, vendors. Then another transaction code, call transaction, okay, XK01. This is standard one. Like that, just call this same thing. Okay, write down here. Okay. This is the vendor, customer. This is then one more material, MAT. Then material transaction code, MM0. If it is another one is tab, something tab. Okay, I declare already Tabstrip. With tab, I declare already one tab. I think I don't know what is the tab name. Z tab 11. Let me check. Yeah, it is there, but it is not clear. Is it working? Vendor. Okay, it is working. No issue. I can insert Z tab 11 only. Tab, that is Z customized, that is Z tab. Okay, like this I can. Then final one is exit. Okay, when EXI like leave program. Excuse me. Leave program. Then end case. Okay. How many push buttons you want? I can create this many push buttons. You won't get any error here. Okay, because this only when now. Just change the when. That's it. Change the when. Remaining all are the same. Two customer transaction codes I inserted. Two standard I inserted, because you have to understand what is customer, what is standard. You can create like this type of push buttons, n numbers, not only this one, n number. Save, check and activate. Now it is active. Now we will test it here. Okay, we'll test it. Execute it. Sorry, we have to activate this program. Okay, go to display object list. Go to display object list. Then activate this program. The screen also you have to activate. The screen number. Okay, you can see. The screen number also too. Now screen is active. Total full program is active. We have to create one code for this one. Z all push. We have to create one transaction code. Go to SC93. Z. Any name. Z all. Z my 11 something. Create all push buttons with codes. Continue. Program name Z all push. Okay, just enter Z all USH, and country screen number is same. Screen number is 9000 only. Okay, 9000. All we can support here. GUI support. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Now it is done. Okay, now it is done. Click back button. test it here directly. My 11 is here. Customer details creation, vendor creation, material creation, Tabstrip with sales order creation, exit. Exit is working. Let me check one by one. Customer creation means it should go to the customer. Here. It is coming. If I click here exit, it is working. If I click vendor creation, standard T code, that is XK01, it is going. Standard. If I click exit button, it will come to main. If I click material creation, it is coming. Material creation. All users can use directly only these options. If they want to check the vendors, they can click the vendors. Here, like example, if vendor creation here, the same vendor related details, if you want to check it, you can add here some code, okay, vendor code here, okay, vendor code. Like those type of even reports also we can link here, even reports also. If you click here vendor report, vendor for report, let me show here. This is the one report is here. I think something Ganga select options here. This is one report. On customer report. If I execute here customer report is working or not, I will come to know. This is customer report we already created. What is the code for this report? Ganga. This report code we will add here instead of this one. Okay, I can add it. Okay. Instead of tab, I can add it to that name Ganga. I can add it. Then instead of tab strip, it will show that particular report name. Okay. Remaining I did not change, just only I changed only transaction code. Let's see. I'll execute here. I'll execute the program. Come back this program. Execute. Go to here. Execute and change button. Click on save option. Test it here. See now if I click here tab, it will go to the report only. Now I execute directly. Okay, report also can work. Any screen, either report, either form, either printing report, either okay tables creation, okay, any report you can link with this tab strip. You can link with this particular type of push buttons or tab strip, everything. Nothing. Exit means it will come to auto exit. These are all the exact requirement. Okay, we will get it so many requirements based on the customers. Based on the customers, we will see this one. Yes, if you see any like standard applications like SPRO applications, all are like that only. Okay, all are like MRP related. Let me show some material resource, material requirement planning. Search here material requirement. Okay, this is MRP. Something is material requirements planning is here. Okay, double click. If double click is here, if you open that material requirement planning, here if I execute here, everything is screen based. Okay, not this one. This is roles. But it has come back. IMG requirement. Material. Excuse. Middle management. Here you can also know some material requirement planning. Okay, here it is there, something material grouping. Define materials. Okay, plant parameters is there. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is create, this is maintain, this is delete. If I click create, it will show the separate plant. It will ask that for this plant, if I enter immediately, it will, plant is not maintained. Plant parameters already exist. Okay, some other Ganga. Something. I'll go to the maintain. Cancel instead of maintain. I'll go to can see here, these are all push buttons. Yeah, this is separate maintain environment. Okay, means these all are designed by ABAP only. This is separate one T code. This, if I click here, it will go to the separate T codes here. Once again, and that T code is having once again one more push buttons. If I click plan data code, it will call. It's separate screen, it will call. Okay, it is having table control. It is having on table control. Like this all application. If I click here my reservations, it will go to the reservation. That is also table control. If I click here requisition, that is also table control. If I click here anything, just this is one screen they designed. This screen they designed and they inserted in this number range. If I check that some other MRP controller, that is another design. In that also they maintained another push button. Okay, this is the exact requirement. This is also table control. This is also table control. This is this type of requirement only you can work more. It's not table control. It's not Tabstrip control. This type of is very more useful in real time. If I click external procurement, okay, here this is separate screens. Okay, this is separate screen, input screens. These type of screens we can work in real time. Okay, n number of tabs. They will give that requirement. Just they will maintain. For this one, this is separately one more consultant will work. Direct procurement. For this, they will direct procurement related T code. They will create it and they will deliver to it. Just you have to use that code only. Here you have to link to this tab. Error handling, one more candidate. Planning artisan, one more candidate. All you never create it at a time. Okay, somebody will create it and somebody will deliver the code here. Okay, you have to use that code and you have to link all the codes. As a developer, you have to code all the links in one program. Okay, one program. This type of programs only more in real time. That's what this is a one exact perfect real example for the standard code. It's the same thing if you want to create the plant parameters like this type of one code. If you want to remove, if you want to work out at least 1 month it will take these applications. Okay, first requirement gathering we have to do. Okay, separate T code for this. Just see here, this requirement gathering we have to do. That separate transaction codes. Each day is one transaction code. If you work at also 1 month it will take to finish this particular one. That's what you never work all 1 month. We in project 5 members are there. 5 members they will divide this work. Then all people they will design the code. Then they will deliver to you. Your part is final part. If it is there, final part you can create it. This is the exact requirement. Understood, Satish? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now today I'll start with the new coding. Okay, this screens are over now. I'll start with the new programming. That programming you can call BDCs, batch data conversions. Means converting the data from SAP to non-SAP or non-SAP to SAP. That program you can call a BDC. Okay, batch data conversion. Okay, I'm coming like content wise only. I'm coming same sequence only. Okay, no, if any point is missed, I will discuss in interview point of view. Any program is there, but theoretical I will discuss in interview point of view. I will share you those questions all. But technical point of view, then I will discuss one program separately once again. If almost all points I am covering like content wise. Okay, check that. If any point is missed out, okay, last class I had given inner join. Okay, it is missed out. Control statement is there. I will discuss. Like any, if it is missed, I will explain once again. I'll check later also. Okay, conversion, batch data conversion or batch data communications. This is nothing but converting data from SAP format to non-SAP. Oh, 1 second. Converting data from, this is a SAP format, this is non-SAP format like gr.txt. This is SAP database. In this SAP database we have vendor data is there, customer data is there, material data is there, so many data. Customer information, material information, all are there. Here we are fetching this information. Which one? this SAP database to we are fetching to internal table, and we are transferring internal table to output. Means we are converting SAP database to non-SAP. Okay, this is internal table. Item. This is output. Output means Excel sheet data. Any data, this data we are converting to non-SAP format. This is SAP format. This is a non-SAP format. The non-SAP format. Converting SAP format data to non-SAP we can call batch data conversion or batch data communication. Okay. Or okay, one more. This type of means converting from SAP database to non-SAP database format, we are calling download. Okay, types we are calling download program. If it is converting from non-SAP data to SAP database, that is opposite. Converting from non-SAP to SAP server, this is complicated. These are all methods are there. Okay. Converting from non-SAP database to SAP database, we can call upload. We have two types of programs are there. One is download program, another one is upload program. Okay. Download means SAP to non-SAP conversion. Upload means opposite. Okay, opposite. Okay, this is non-SAP to SAP. But this is okay, non-SAP to SAP conversion. That we can call upload. Okay, upload. Two types of programs are there. Okay, one is a download program. Okay, another one is upload program. Okay. Download program and upload. Okay, any doubt here? But in download program, there is no need to write any extra code here. Okay, just simple select query and function module only we will write it. Here, let me write it clearly. For download programs, we can use a function module is. Okay, this is only function module, standard function module. GUI underscore download. We can use it. For upload, function module is okay, GUI underscore upload. Okay, GUI underscore upload. Okay. These two function modules we can use it. Okay. For download, GUI underscore download. For upload, GUI underscore upload. Okay. Upload. But for download there is no separate programs. For upload we have different types of uploading programs are there. Different types of uploading programs. Okay, those are all like recording method. That is the first program. Then this all programs will work in one session. Okay, one separate session. Recording method, call transaction method, call transaction method. Third one is a session method. Fourth one is LSNW method. LSNW method. These four methods are the four methods. These all three methods are included in one program. Okay, all. If you work with recording, these two are included in the same recording method only. Okay, same. Only just process will be different. The process will be different. That is how to work with either call transaction. Uploading we have types, but downloading we don't have any types. You have to observe this point. For downloading, only one simple function module you can use it. That's it. Only this simple function module. For uploading, you have to use a function module plus which, if you are using this method, you have to process separately. If you are using this method, you have to procedure is separately. The procedure. That point I will discuss in coming sessions. Okay, today just we will concentrate on only this downloading related procedure, how to download it. Now these are all the methods. Okay. Concept name is uploading, batch conversion. Means I am converting any SAP format to non-SAP file convert, that we are calling download. To use that one, very simple program on downloader, but upload is complicated. Why? First you have to find out the transactions. Here, if you are working with this uploader. Oh. For upload, example, Z insert is there. For this program, if you want to insert the data, means upload the data, first you have to identify what is the transaction code, which program this is, which screen number this is, how many fields are here, what is the field name, which value we have to enter here, how many push buttons are there. We have to analyze all these points. Then only we can upload the data. Otherwise, it won't allow to load the data. But downloading, there is no need to analyze any screen number. Just only fetching the data from table and displaying it output. Okay, displaying it output. That's why. Okay, downloading just only one step. For uploading only we have methods. Okay, methods. I'll show today just only downloading program. Then theoretical part of uploading method today I will discuss. Then tomorrow class we will work out the one method, at least one method with the call transaction method, session method. Tomorrow I will cover it. Okay, these methods. Then in next sessions we will work out. Because this is very important related concept. For bulk data uploading, this is only we can call. I already discussed one more point. Table maintenance generator I discussed in basic class. Table maintenance generator. Do you remember? I think Satish remember recently I covered for Satish. I think that topic. Data. Okay. Data. Sorry. Table maintenance generator means you can load. You can create a bulk data for tables. Bulk data for tables. But there user is entering the data in screen. But here user is going to maintain here. Okay, this type of files. Okay, this type. Which one file is there? Okay, any file. Okay, user will maintain the data like this, personal number, last name, first name, like that. Okay, with the data it will maintain. This data we can directly upload that to SAP. Okay, how to upload that to SAP, that you are going to learn here. Like like this is there. Right? Okay, see this type of data. They will give this type of notepad data. They will give you, and then this is vendor number. This is company code. This is all the information, purchasing organization, account group, title, name, such name, city, state, city, country, account group, currency. How will know means we loaded so many times. That's what I knew it. That we have to identify which data you are going to upload. Okay. First you have to the only 2 records you have to test it. Don't upload at a time all 100 records, 1000 records, 1 lakh records. If you do on 1 lakh records at a time, you will get issues. First you have to test one record with our second record. Then you will get some idea. Next. Okay, let me start first. Okay, one example. Okay, download options. Okay, download. This is the program. If you are downloading, first which table you want to download, first check it. KN1 table. Okay, go to KN, like SE38. This download program also we can go for SE38 only. But recording method, we'll go to separate T code. LSNW also separate T code. Recording method, all this method, transaction code is SHDB. For LSNW, this is the transaction code is LSMW only. T codes, transaction codes. These are all for SHDB. This is for LSNW. And we will use here two transaction code. One more transaction code to run the program. To run the program, session method SM35. To run the session or in batch input. This session. In batch input. Okay. So now I'm going to create the one program, right? A download program. Okay, download program. Go to SE38. Okay, go to SE38. Enter the program name, any Z download. Any name. Okay, click on create button. Okay, this is a download program. Download program. This is executable only, not model executable. Sales. Okay, sales program.
Make class time.
Continue. Continue.
Make class time.
Any package. Okay, package.
Class time.
Continue. Okay, continue. Continue. Here we have to write the code. Okay, we have to write the code. Same procedure, like same. Okay, same procedure. Like okay, database table creation. Tables. KNA. You can declare it either okay, parameters or either select options. All are same. Okay, select options. Customer for KNA1 hyphen KNR. Okay. Internal table declaration is same as this. You can declare it data declarations. Okay, data tab like okay, better write down like this. Don't write like this. Okay, begin of item occurs 0. Okay, comma R type and 1. So what is 01 type what is 01 underscore GP this end of okay item end of item. See, now this is ready. Internal table is ready, meaning just I created here one buffer here. I created this buffer, this name I created, just memory. Okay, memory. But table is also there already. Table customer table is there already. KN1 table already there. Now I have to fetch this customer table data to here. For that, I'll write here select statement. Here we will write here select statement. It looks like same report, but loops we won't write here. Loop. Okay. Select KNR, land one, name one, what is 01 from KNA1 into corresponding piece of table. Item where KNR in customer list. Select query I have written here. Now after select query, this customer data will move to here. Now data is here. Actually in report we used to loop here this itab, loop at itab, write syntax, itab hyphen, okay, like that we used to write it. Instead of writing like that, just we are sending this itab information data to output by just writing the pattern. Okay, I'm not going to write here loop. Okay, that is only an advantage here. We are avoiding here loop and loop write syntax. Directly we are sending data to external system. Okay, to send the data to external system, here we will give a pattern option. Okay, pattern. Which pattern you have to call? Function model is GUI underscore download. Okay, that is our function model name is GUI underscore download. We can use it. Okay, to use this one, go to pattern. Okay, GUI underscore download. You can use it here. I'll repeat here. Cursor should be here. Cursor should be in here only. Starting cursor. Okay, cursor. Go to pattern. Okay, go to your GUI underscore. Okay, download. Okay, go to continue. Okay, continue. See here. Now all this one. Okay, continue. Here we have to enter here. We have to enter your exporting file name. Here the exporting file name is nothing but where you are going to download your file. Like copy the properties. Okay, properties of the download file. Let's see. Any file you can take it. Any text file. Right click. Properties. Copy this name. This is the location. Location name we have to copy and paste it here. Right click on properties. Then go to here. Your file name is nothing but your location. File location. Just a single quotation. Copy paste that. Copy paste that file. Slash. Then which name you want? Okay, which name? This is the customer data download. Customer download .txt. If you want XLS, you can enter XLS. If you want PDF, you can enter PDF. Okay, which format you want, you can enter that particular format. Now I am most of the time TXT formats we can download, or CSV format, or text XLS. We will enter here. Now file path I entered here. File name I entered here. Okay, file name. Okay, that is the first point. First you have to load the file name. Okay, fine. Then we have to uncomment here. Uncomment file type. Okay, file type. Sorry, uncomment. ASCII format means American Standard Coding format we have to enter. Always that is ASCII only. American Standard Coding. Then separator. We have to give here separator. Separator means X. Separator means X. Spaces we have to specify. Space, capital letter compulsory. Okay. Okay. Any doubt here? Next, this is a file path I had given, but which data we are sending? ITAB data. Okay, which data I am sending? ITAB data. Here we have to enter here down data underscore tab is equivalent to I tab we have to enter. Okay, I tab, full stop. Okay, full stop. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Check the issue. Check this one. Okay, check this one. Check here. Activate here. Okay, we are checking here. Customer and customer. Maybe here I declared as customer. You can change it to customer. As a small letter, as a capital letter. CUSTO. here. Check now errors. Then no errors. Activate this one. Okay, activate. Now it is ready. Active. Very active. No. Execute here. Now execute here. You can observe now which data you are going to download. Just 1 second. I'll close it. Okay. Fast listening. Excuse me. Okay, sir. Customer data is downloaded here. Okay, here we will enter this. We will sort out here. Only 1000 to 1010 records I need. Okay, only 1000 to 1000. If I give this only 1000 to 1000, then it should display only 1000 to 1000. Execute. Execute. Then click on allow. Okay, click on allow. Click on. You can see here the file is transferred here. File is transferred. Where we have to check? Desktop, you have to check that one. Okay, desktop. See here, customer underscore down one text file is downloaded here. If I double click this particular customer underscore double click, okay, then it will show here clearly only 1000 customers to 1010 because I filter the data. That's why it has come here. Okay, I filter the data. Then if I want all the customers information, no need to filter. Just click back button, test it here. Okay, test it here. Okay, just execute. Don't enter any filter. If you want to sort out like only one customer, 10 customer, 20 customer, 10,000 customers, like that also you can sort out. But here it is very easy. Here it is. Directly you can execute it here. Okay, directly. Click on allow. Okay. Then all the around 53 MB is downloaded. You can go and check here. Here this option. Okay. Yeah, same file. It will be downloaded here. Okay, it's all the information. Okay, also this is the way to write the. All the code. Means download is easy. Download just only you have to separate that particular separator. If you apply it, then it will come automatically. It will come. But the uploading is very complicated. Why? Because if you want to upload here, first you have to understand. Which data you are going to upload. That is very important. Okay, which screen, which data, all names. Okay? That a little bit complicated compared to this procedure. Okay, this procedure. Okay. Any doubt here for downloading data? For any table, we will do the same procedure. Any table, the same procedure. Only these parameters, if you apply it, that is more than enough. Okay, that is more than enough. Okay. If it is upload, then I have to discuss some theoretical points first. Then we will work out this uploading program tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow class. Okay. But before going to the uploading, first you have to understand the code. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain the customer code only, customer insert only. But for your practice, after completion of my program, I'll give one practice session for you, one practice, separate, okay, one exercise for you. Then you can concentrate on that exercise. Then you will work with the standard T codes also. You can work easily. Okay, you can work easily. Now I'm going to explain here first what exactly this is. T code first. You can observe now. If you are going to work with the uploading method, you have to start either recording method compulsory. Recording method. Why means recording method is having, okay, call transaction method code is there and session method, both codes are there. Okay, default codes. Okay, we have to, okay, as a developer we have to work with the recording method and as well as call transaction session. Two methods by default will come. To run with this particular recording method, we will use here SHDB is the T code. SHDB is the transaction code. SHDB. Now, if you are using this SHDB, first you have to understand the existing transaction code. Existing transaction like a Z insert. See here. First you have to identify what transaction code is here. This is a Z insert is a first sort out all the programs. Like let me open Z insert. This is a code. This is a snipping by snipping tool. I'll copy. Okay, copy. Meaning, okay, this is the exact upload. This is a screen. For this screen only, I have to upload my text data. Text data I have to upload. This is text is there somewhere in my C drive or desktop I have. Okay, here gr.txt, that is non-SAP. Okay, like here customer is 1000. Any data, country, name, city, LORE, postal code. Okay, like this, some data is there. Or like only one record I am taking. You can take a number. This data, we will move to, this is file.txt. This data will move to iTab. This is internal table. This is we can call iTab, internal table. This is outside of the SAP system, non-SAP system. Okay. We have to upload first non-SAP system to iTab. If you want to upload non-SAP system to iTab, we will use here GUI_upload. First function model you have to use it, G_. After this upload, in runtime we will load to internal table. We have to map here. This is vendor number. We have to insert in this vendor, sorry, customer number. This is the city. We have to insert the data into country. Sorry, not city, country. This is name. We have to insert into the name. This is city related field. We have to insert into city field. This is postal code. We have to insert to postal code. To identify this particular screen by screen, that we are calling, okay, field mapping. Okay, field mapping. We have to map the field by field. Okay, which data you have to insert. Here this is value, field value. This is field. Okay, this is field. Means you have to identify the first what is field, which value you have to insert. This for this first you have to identify once again program name. Let's see. This is transaction code. If I want to find out the transaction code of program, go to SC30, SC93, Z insert, click on change. Click on change. See, this is the transaction code. I am writing all the steps. Okay, I am writing manually. This is a program. This is a T code. T code is, we have to work with this T code, transaction code. For this transaction code, we have one program. For this total one, we have one program. That is the program name is this is. The program name is this is. Program name. for this program name we have one screen number 9000. We have all fields. How many fields? We have KNR, land 1, name 1, what is 01, PSTNZ. These are all fields. Okay, these are all fields. Okay, we have all the fields. Screen number, all the fields. Okay. In these fields only this is. Okay, you have to identify first here. T code you have to identify, program name, screen number, which field. Okay, using these fields, how to upload. That method only we are calling recording method. Recording method. Using this all program name, transaction code, screen number, we will complete this recording method. In this recording method, once if you complete, session method options you will get it, and call transaction option you will get it. The user can select any one of the option. If you want to upload the data using session, you can select the session method. If you want to upload the data using call transaction, you can upload the call transaction method. Okay, this is the one procedure. Okay, this is one process. Okay, tomorrow I will give one example, then standard T code also I will explain. Okay, one program we will work out full work program, because today already 9:15 is there. Okay, tomorrow class we will work out. Okay, that one. Understood what is the use of upload and download? Upload means okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
opposite. Text to upload to SAP. Download means you have seen already. Just SAP format data you can download to different formats, that we can call download options. Okay, download options. Okay, tomorrow class same time. Okay, 8 to 10 around 8 10 I will log in. Then we will work out this example. Okay, this example. Two examples I will work. One example I will give. One example I will show.